You clicked on this video probably because you saw a beautiful picture of a beautiful house and you wanted to see what the rest of the house looked like. Well, my name is Kinsley Hauser and I'm a local realtor in Edmond, Oklahoma and its surrounding areas. I am currently in one of Shiloh Homes' newest floor plans in Cottage Grove on the eastern side of Edmond. This house is absolutely beautiful, but before we get to it, if you're thinking about moving to Edmond, Oklahoma or any of the areas that surround it, do not hesitate to reach out to me. You can give me a call, text, email, DM, you can schedule a Google Meet, and I would love to just be able to talk with you about your move. So Shiloh Homes is a builder here in Edmond, Oklahoma. Paul, the builder, builds beautiful homes, puts a lot of details and a lot of custom finishes into his homes, even though they're not always being custom built. And so this house has big, beautiful windows, really pretty finishes, and I really think you're gonna love it. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. As always, we have to start out front, and you can see this house has 2-car garage and really just a wide house, but I like the way it's kind of split up with the stucco, with the brick, and of course you cannot miss those huge windows to the front, which lets in so much natural light. The landscaping in these houses is also really intentional and I think just really pretty and adds a lot to the house itself. So when we come up here, we come to the front door, which is really a pretty front door. You've got this pretty handle here. And when you walk in, you immediately walk into a foyer, which I like. I like having this little space to kind of separate the living space with the front of the house. And so you can kind of see here, you've got the foyer, nice light fixture up there. And in here is the living room, but we're actually going to turn it around and look at these 2 bedrooms. So in here you've got your first bedroom. I think this could make a really good office, or again, a bedroom if you need it to be. Another big pretty window in the front, connected by a Jack and Jill, which has 2 sinks, which is always really nice. You've got your separate toilet room, and then you've got your bathtub here, which has a window, which adds in a lot of good natural light. And I kind of want to show you from this angle because you've definitely got a lot of space here. So definitely a spacious bathroom. And then we've got another bedroom back here, just a, kind of plain simple bedroom. And then it walks back around into kind of that hallway foyer area. So you can see that here. And then we walk into this living room. And I love this living room, that stucco fireplace that is kind of bringing in those outside features. This house has a modern Cape Dutch style, and you'll definitely see a lot of those elements throughout the house. So here you can see the other side of those big, beautiful windows. It just lets in so much natural light and makes it feel very cozy, and it's a home you want to be in. So you kind of come through here and you can see the dining room. This is your only dining space, but it is really large. Initially, there was a different table in here, and they definitely switched it out because this is a large table, but I mean, you still got plenty of space here. So really good sized dining room, and you can kind of see the separation from room to room by the ceiling. Then we kind of look at this view again. Again, just love this living room. Now I want to kind of turn this way because I want to show you the kitchen. Probably my favorite kitchen in a long time that I've seen. It's got those mosaic tiles in the back and just absolutely beautiful. Kind of some mixture of colors and stained wood. You've got a nice farmhouse sink, of course, big windows in the back. And you also have a really great walk-in pantry here. Which another good feature is that plug right there. You can throw even a coffee pot in there, maybe a crock pot even. And so you come here, you have the stove up here, and then when we turn it back around, you'll see the oven on the other side. So you can see the oven and the microwave over there kind of hidden, so you don't see it from really most of the house. I like these light fixtures a lot here, kind of that industrial look to them. So we kind of peek outside. Nice size porch, definitely could put a cute little couch out there. You've got a gas hookup over there in the corner, so you don't have to worry about propane tanks or anything. I love when those are there. So then here's another view of the kitchen. I feel like I could just look and stare at this kitchen all day long because it's so pretty. And then again, a really good flow. All of these rooms are definitely separate, but very open still, very, I think, good floor plan. We come this way and the master suite is going to be there, but I actually want to show you this laundry room first. I love that the windows are here. It, from the outside, makes it look really nice, but also lets in so much natural light. Sometimes the laundry room can be really kind of stale, and I think this just helps it make it feel very clean and bright and airy. So you've got these really fun tiles that definitely separates the space. And in here, you've got a big countertop for lots of folding clothes. And then you've got kind of a built-in hamper here. You've got lots of built-in drawers and cabinets and just tons of extra storage. So definitely a bonus and a really good feature in this house. And through here, we have a little hallway. This is coming in from the garage. When you come in, you've got this little drop zone, which I like how it's kind of tucked behind this wall, so you would not see it at all from the rest of the house. So if it gets a little cluttered, which sometimes they can, it's kind of hidden and you can put, you know, backpacks, shoes, that sort of thing. And then in here is the cutest little half bath. And I love how it's got that floating cabinet, but then also these light fixtures, I think, are just really funky and really cute. This is a custom framed mirror. So instead of having like an outside mirror where they just stuck it up there, this was built custom into this house. So on this side, you've got some more cabinets for storage, and then of course your toilet. But I just think this is really cute. Kind of that thicker countertop here just gives it a really nice look. And now we're gonna look at that master suite. But again, just kind of want to take a peek in here, show you this view one more time, because I just love the way all of these rooms look together. So we come through here and we've got the master, and this master is really large. That's a king size bed, fits perfectly in between the two windows. But you can see there's even like some little stools to sit on. You've got tons of space before you get to the dresser. So definitely a good size master bedroom. Through here, we have the master suite. So you have a freestanding tub with that kind of frosted glass window above it. And then you've got this glass shower that just looks super, super kind of elegant, but also kind of modern. And then you've got the tile that goes all the way up to the ceiling. Gives it a really luxury and just a really nice look to it. And then close that, and you can see you've got the double sinks with lots of storage in there, his and hers, with lots of cabinets to kind of store away those things that you don't want out on the countertops. And you've kind of got some of the hotel looking luxury lighting above it, kind of to give each mirror its own light. And then again, these also have that framed glass that makes it more of that custom mirror versus just putting an already built one up there. And then you've got this toilet room with the extra storage up there. Then into this closet, the master closet. I wouldn't say this is the biggest closet I've ever seen. However, the space is used extremely well. So I've definitely seen bigger closets that don't utilize the space as well, so you actually have less storage. But here you've got floor to ceiling racks. So think top racks, you can put your out of season clothing, maybe the things you just don't wear very often, Halloween costumes, that sort of thing. And then you've got lots of built-ins here for, could be shoes, could be sweaters, could be like boxes, anything that you need. You've got storage up there, and then same thing on this side, except on this side you also have the dress section. So kind of think hers over on this side, maybe his on this side. And then you've got these built-in dressers, which these are really nice, kind of to put some of those things away that you don't want hanging. So definitely a really nice space and kind of a good use of the size. And I like that little built-in mirror here to kind of check out what you're wearing before you leave for the day. And then you come back and this is that look of that bathroom again. Really love the way that kind of lighter wood tone really goes well with the countertops, with the tile, with that glass, and really just looks beautiful. And coming out of here, we go back into the master, and then I'll kind of take you out into the living space again. And here we are. So some of the favorite things for sure are those big windows, the stucco that is, like I said, on the front of the house, also in this fireplace, but also above the vent hood. So kind of getting those features throughout the house just looks really cohesive and really nice. I love these floors, kind of the lighter wood, and the use of colors and light fixtures are just really beautiful. I love that laundry room and just really everything that this house has to offer. Shiloh Homes definitely builds a beautiful, well-built home, and I cannot recommend them more. So if you are interested in this house or maybe some other ones or just curious about looking in Edmond, Oklahoma, definitely do not hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to be able to help you on your move, and I'll catch you guys in my next one.